shuttle update. Okay, so I have not posted a shuttle update in a while, so here's the update. Last video, I think it was the last video, I was super excited because the framing was done. All right, progress has been made. Woo! The framing is done. So young, so naive. So that was one part of the framing. So like the back fifth of the bus we redid, but then when we took up the flooring of the rest of the shuttle, we realized that there were also a lot of other rusted metal parts. So pretty much took up the rest of the, well, taking up the subfloor in and of itself was challenging because all of the screws were rotted. So that was a matter of cutting the wood and then prying up the different areas. So subfloor took a while, then all the new framing, creating the framing, the portion I'm sitting on right now, we created outside and then brought it in, and then the rest welded while we were in here. The siding, there's like a little strip of metal on the side that needed to be redone. So there's just a lot of structure that needed fixed. So that took quite a while. Working on other little things in between that. So the frame looks amazing right now. It's all new framing, painted with a rust preventative. So this bad boy, framing wise, is going to be solid. It'll be good for life, because this is my lifer. Wow, it's hot. So now moving on to the subfloor. We cut and painted the subfloor with a primer so that doesn't get messed up. So the flooring is done too, the subfloor. It's just in the garage right now because we're trying to fit the tanks. Kind of sidebarred the tanks because I need to do more research. So today I'm working on the back doors. There's multiple leaks still in the vehicle. We've sealed up the windows. Some of the leaking is better, but there's still some leaks. So today I'm working on the back door, taking out the old nasty wood and the screws, replacing that, resealing that, hoping that that takes care of the leaks. Everything takes longer than expected. I'm learning that, but patience is a virtue. Learning a lot along in the process. Welding has been super fun. I think for the most part probably done with welding because the structure and framing and stuff was the majority of what needed welded, but this is looking so solid now, so that's exciting. Yeah, pretty much almost done at this point.